maker Stellantis pays more in production costs at Italian factories than any other manufacturing facilities. When Fiat Chrysler and PSA Group merged to form the new company, CEO Carlos Tavares promised to keep plants open and all workers employed. However, according to a new Reuters report, the car maker is trying to cut costs in Italy, and the union says it's getting creative, including cutting cleaning services, reducing the temperature, and limiting the number of toilets available to staff. The company is in a difficult position after making both job promises as well as a commitment to nearly $6 billion in savings per year. A union rep says that the toilet tapering is happening at a plant in Mirafiori, Turin, that assembles the Fiat 500 battery electric vehicle, or BEV. Cutting costs is understandable, but the rep notes that cutting cleaning services and toilets for essential workers during a global pandemic might not be the best idea. The car maker has yet to respond to the allegations, despite additional reports of cleaning services being cut at other Italian plants. Stellantis officially formed on January 19, 2020. The combined entity has industrial operations in more than 30 countries, sales in 130 countries, and employs more than 400,000 workers around the globe. And now some of them have less access to toilets. I mean, maybe we can compromise. Bring in the low flows. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.